Hello smiley people, Mr Lewin here. I'm going to take you through using Microsoft Teams. This is the online learning platform your teacher will use with you to set work and keep in contact. To get there, just visit teams.microsoft.com and log in with the details you were given. You can see when your teacher posts something by looking at the activity box. If I click on it, I can see that an assignment has been set. We'll look at that in a bit. When you look at your team in Team View, they will appear bold if something new has happened in there. If you click onto your team, you get the comments feed. This is where different conversations happen in this channel. Each week we'll start a new channel on the left here, and conversations can go into these instead. This is also where you can chat to your teacher about your work. You just put the @ symbol and type the teacher's name to chat to them. When they reply, it'll appear in your activity box. Your teacher will use an announcement to share the work they'd like you to do. They might like you to access a file to help you. If they do, you can find it here, under the Files tab. Simply click the file you want to view to use it. As we saw earlier, your teacher will set you assignments to do. When they do, it appears like this. If you click on it, you'll see the title of it, when it has to be done by, some instructions, and any bits you need to complete it, like a worksheet to complete, a PowerPoint to work through, or a video stream to watch. I can also have anything read to me by clicking on the immersive reader symbol. This button means that it will read the text to me, or I have the option to change it into different languages, or only see part of it at a time.
Hello. Due the 22nd of April, 2020, 23:59. Instructions. Say hello to an animal.
If the work I've done is a file, I can click Add Work and upload it. Or I can make a new document and then edit it directly in Teams. I can also put a link into my work so that I can use Flipgrid to post a video or a photo and link it in here. To use a Flipgrid, you need to click on the link from your teacher, press the big green circle at the bottom and record yourself. Put in a title and link it back. To hand it in, I just click the Hand In button. The other tool you can use is your class notebook. This is basically like a doodle pad where you can put down your ideas, jot down any workings out you have, or work through something with your teacher. Instructions for this can be found in your class notebook. For any more help, you can ask your teacher in the posts, ask your parents to email this address for you, or visit their website for more information.